Barbie fried chicken, guys. If you're interested in this one, come let's make this one together. So we use half of a chicken. So this is the leg type breast wing. What we're using for season the chicken, we have mustard, we have Maggi Chicken, Maggi Chicken, Maggi All-Purpose, and we have an egg. So we're going with the egg. We add that. A spoon of all-purpose, spoon of Maggi Chicken. I will just combine this together. I'm going to put 1 cup of flour. Throw the chicken, throw the all-purpose seasoning. Combine everything. Oh, pass a baking soda if you're interested. I could drop a baking soda. And that's about it. And go butter the chicken, shake off the excess, add it to that oil, go back in, do that. Go grab the leg and thigh. I'll put the wing in it. So. To the leg and thigh, I can make sure in the side part of it. And the thing with me, guys, you tell me at the Barbie fried, I like to my chicken them fried right. See, Barbie fried chicken. That's a little thing. Fried and dry. Well, it depends on what you like. You like them dry, some fried and dry. Alright, and this is what your chicken will look like without the egg powder. For the sauce, this is what we're going to use: ketchup, barbecue sauce, and I'm going to use a little honey just to give the sauce a little sheen. Alright, and this depends on how much chicken you have. Add a little vinegar. Alright, combine it properly. And that's it. Alright, let's do this now. Alright, so the sauce there. Place that down. If some sauce put in and make a lesson. Alright, I'm going to put this in the oven for about 5-10 minutes, and that's it. Whatever left now, you see them space there, we're gonna fill it. So like in there, so anyway, we need little sauce, we just use this and fill it up. So now we're gonna take this and add it to the oven. So I'll give that 5 minutes and then we'll check back. See what I'm going for this. Guys, if you've made it this far in the video, don't forget to like, leave a comment, tell a friend, and I'll see you guys in another video. Thanks for watching, guys. This is the end of the Barbie chicken. You don't want to stay in the oven too long because you don't want it dry. So this is perfect. Okay.